You ever have one of those weekends that sticks with you, even after you've unpacked the truck, washed the mud off the boots, and finally tossed that last smoky hoodie in the laundry? Yeah, this was one of those weekends. We took off to the White River to celebrate Hayden turning the big 18 and Uncle Wes turning the big 43. Trout rods loaded, camp gear stuffed in every corner, and enough food to keep a small army fed. And man, it did not disappoint. The river was cold and clear, the trout were biting, the campfire was crackling, and everything just felt right. Simple, slow, like the kind of weekend you don't just live, you process. Because that's the thing, days later, I'm still thinking about it, still hearing the laughter around the fire, still tasting that campfire food that always somehow turns out better out there than it ever does back here at home. Still replaying those moments when the river was quiet, the rods were bent, and life felt wonderfully uncomplicated. It was one of those rare weekends that reminds you why you love the outdoors, why you love your people, and why moments like this matter. So in this video, I want to take you back there, back to the White River, back to the campfire, the cabin, the camper, back to the memories that are still hanging around in the best way. So come with me. Let me show you what made this weekend of birthdays so unforgettable. What are we doing here, Hayden?
Jeep decided one of the bars just wanted to fall off, so it's on there now. The pencil snapped when we got in the parking lot.
You used a pencil?
Yeah, and I drove on the side of the highway for like over a mile. Like,
okay, it's right there. Right there is what we're dealing with.
Yeah, I just shoved it in there.
Boys put a pencil in there, y'all. All right. This is how we're starting his 18th birthday party. Whoop, whoop. All right. We're going with these massive zip ties for now because those little ones snapped as soon as he turned the wheel. Guys, this is our current situation right here. We are cruising around 55 on the interstate, which should be 75. Headed back in to get him to the shop where we can get that bolt up. We got the bolt fixed. He is now going to head to home and get Will, and the two are going to head that way to the White River. And I'm going to go gas up and head to the Wally World for some groceries. This stuff we don't typically show you. So we're getting there, getting it all packed. Going to do a lot of cooking this weekend for Hayden. And really packed on this thing. All right, guys, I definitely had to get Hayden. I wasn't going to find it. It's been so long since I've been back here. We're here. So here's how it unfolded. I rolled in late afternoon, that perfect golden hour, light bouncing off the White River. You know that feeling when you step out of the truck and the air just hits different? Cool enough to wake you up, clear enough and clean enough to clear your head, and carrying just a hint of campfire smoke from someone already getting dinner started on the bank. That's how the weekend greeted us.
An hour and a half I started with a woolly bugger and a dropper midge, and then I put on an egg because that's what all the guys here tell me, but they're eating off the top. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna try a hopper.
Okay. Sweet.
If you get done, get you some flies and stuff.
I popped the top on the camper, carried in the groceries to the cabin, and started the chili. All right, we got everything carried in the cabin. We got all the groceries here. We're gonna start cooking up some chili. Got all the things in there. You excited?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, y'all, phase one, brown this meat and then add all these. Yeah. All right, the meat is browning. We're getting there. We're adding all the things. Got some more cans to add here. And we're getting it done. All right, all the things are in there. The meat has been browned. I'm about to dump that in here, and then we'll heat this up even more, and we'll get it rolling. There it is. The mustard, the Fritos, the cheese, the sour cream. Chili is ready to roll. Chilling, fishing, and eating. Getting after it. Y'all, that's it. Look at that. Chili and mustard. We got some others that went the mustard route. Everybody did it? There we go. Now it's time for the fire pit.
Let's go.
Or the fireplace, I should say.
Yeah, we're not rednecks.
We got the chairs.
It's a fireplace.
Look at this. What do you think, Daisy? Y'all, Wes don't mess around. Look at that. It's going.
Yeah.
I said, Wes don't mess around.
Oh. We make fire.
Golly.
That'll do, donkey.
That'll do. That'll do. All right, let's see all their wood they brought in. Is it good? All right, good morning. It is 7 o'clock. We're gonna get up, go check on the boys. They're all in the cabin. I guess this older guys, Wes camped in his truck. I'm camped in my truck, and everybody else is in the cabin. I cooked some breakfast for everybody, and then I'm guessing they're gonna want to hit the water. The sun's just coming up. It's beautiful out there.
The crows were a pretty good warm bug.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Morning, y'all. All right, guys. Morning cigar, my favorite. L'aroma de Cuba mi amor, pairing well with that coffee. Watching the guys fish. All right, this guy got him one, it looks like. Or he had him one. All right, guys, this is what we got this morning. We got some bacon, some sausage patties, some eggs, and we're gonna get some tortillas going over here, wherever we got those guys, and we're gonna cook it all up. All right, y'all, we're getting it done here. All right, Wes is getting her done.
That's right, baby.
Tossing that bacon. There's Hayden. Getting after it. And getting the breakfast ready right here. Heat up some tortillas in just a sec. We'll be good to go.
All right, so we take that and we roll it.
TTF, tuck, tuck, fold.
Take this, tuck, tuck, fold. TTF, tuck, tuck, fold. 2 tucks and a fold.
That's right. We got too much to tuck, so we're just folding.
That's right. Making burritos.
Fuzzy style burrito. Okay, so once your burritos are made and stacked, fold side down, you get the perfect pyramid.
Look at that.
We're gonna take these out to the flat top, put them fold side down, sear that little flap shut, and we'll be ready to eat.
We're ready to go. All right.
I wish he had a steak weight out here. We could.
Yeah.
All right, so about a minute on each side. This is on low, and we'll have grilled breakfast burritos here in just a little bit.
Nice.
That's how you do it, boys. Moment.
Look at that.
That's how we do here at camp. Grilled chili breakfast burrito. We got beef, we got bacon, sausage, eggs, cheese, beans, and we're warming up queso.
There you go. I think we did good. And we got eggs left over. And some bacon left over. All right, guys. Second cast. Got me a rainbow. Heck yeah. Yep. That's a pretty one. Number 2. Attaboy. There's something sacred about the white river at sunrise. The cold water, the quiet mist, and the way time seems to slow down. But the real beauty, it's watching my son and his buddies laughing, learning, figuring it all out, and then seeing a trout flash in the current and hit the line. Those moments, the shouts, the high fives, the pure joy, that's the stuff you just cannot stage. Out here, it's not just about catching fish, it's about catching memories, the kind you hope they carry for the rest of their lives. The White River has a way of reminding you that the best days are simple, shared, and lived in the great outdoors. There you go. All right, guys. Dinner time on the Blackstone at the cabin. Starting to get a little dark, so we called it quits on the water for now. To come in and start cooking up some burgers. And dogs. All right. We're coming along. Guys, I love this LED light. Check this out. Magnetized to the table. Works great. Wes is singing.
Buns for a burger.
All right. They're getting after it. No hesitation on their part.
Hey, bun.
That's where I'll finish in a little bit. Dude, he's gonna be freaking hammering the trail with that thing tomorrow.
He is tying the flies.
Oh, we're sputtering around the edges now, boys.
It's a nice fire. That's nice. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. It's time for some s'mores in the fire pit. Fireplace. And some hot dogs. And Cheez-Its. And all the things. Get these guys back out here. They've been fishing. They went and did some night fishing. You get a s'more?
Yep.
All right. Let's see where the boys went. Hayden?
What?
We got s'mores ready. Is he that far away from it?
him. Don't rush him.
Trust the process.
No rush, bro. No rush.
You don't like it burnt at all?
Yeah, you get gold.
You're one of those.
Really, you want the coals because it's a little oven.
Are you going?
We sat around that fire for hours, telling stories, roasting marshmallows, talking about life, joking about the catches we almost landed, and just soaking in the moment. No rush, no noise, just flames, laughter, guitars, harmonicas, and at times, the kind of silence that actually restores you. And the whole weekend took on this rhythm. Fish, eat, relax, repeat. The kind of rhythm you wish you could bring home with you. Good morning, guys. It's 7 o'clock and calm out there. Water's not really moving any. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Just nice and peaceful so far. So we stayed up till 1, but I think Hayden and his buddies are wanting to get down on the water this morning. They went and tried to fish. They didn't have any luck. I think he got one bite late last night, like in the dark. So they're going to head on down there this morning. I'm going to go start fixing some coffee, and then when they're ready, I'll cook them up some breakfast too. All right, y'all, I was able to fold the panel down, drop down, get dressed. Now we'll climb out of here, get the shoes and socks on. There's Aaron. Slept in the truck. Wes is still in there. Morning, buddy.
Morning.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Do you feel older? It's gonna be a pretty day. We got the IBC bottles. Boys are down there fishing. Get this coffee rolling. Going again with the free rain this morning. Look at that water, perfectly calm. Cheers, guys. It's gonna be a beautiful day. All right, guys, so I got the heat on, 25 degrees Celsius. Bump it up a little bit, 32 degrees Celsius. That'll get pretty toasty. But I can also then switch it, and I will in a minute. It's gonna clear out the humidity that's in there, because what happened was the condensation that's in there. What happened was I zipped that small window up on both sides, and it allowed that moisture and that condensation to build up. So this will, there we go. This will take care of that for me and dehumidify. That is so cool. Love it. You'll hear it blowing that up there. All right, we got 3 boxes of pancake mix. That's 1 box. We're gonna make them up. Some serious pancakes today. It's a good Flappy Jackie.
Who's Jackie? The secret to good pancake is you gotta spank it.
That's going in there.
Give me your plate. Give me that plate, boy. Oh. I didn't want to play.
The Flappy Jackies. How's it go?
I really need backup singer.
If you would only love me like you used to do. Hard to beat. Pancakes for the birthday boys. What are you now, 21? 21? 22?
Twice.
Twice over.
21 twice. 21 and a half twice. I feel 21. Put it that way.
Right? Same. Here, I got you.
No, it's over. It's done. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Frankie.
How you doing, buddy? What do you think, Daisy? Huh? What do you think? You good?
Yeah, I'll go back out there so I can get it.
Yeah, I've got one. All right, Aaron and Isaac are gonna go tear them up. All right, guys, we are in the upstairs loft. So just to kind of show you around up here, curtain to kind of separate it all. There's Daisy. Couches, big TV, fireplace. This is the kitchen, which you've seen by this point. The restroom right there. Is he in there? Yep, he is. Refrigerator, washer and dryer. All the appliances. Oh, sorry, Wes, can I come by?
Yes, my son.
Okay. And this is your mud room. For your waders, got rod holders up here. Hang your waders there, your dry boots. Pretty awesome. And this goes out right there. Big rainbow on the door, that's cool. The lockers there for the members. And then this amazing porch. Patio. All right, guys, well, it's right at noon. We are packing things up, kind of getting everything loaded back up, cleaning out the cabin, cleaning up this area right here. Some of the guys are still out fishing, but we've got it's a 2-hour drive from here. Got to head home, and then we've got a big dinner for Hayden and Wes tonight at Hideaway Pizza. So that's going to be a good time. We'll take you along for that as well. But yeah, so it's kind of Sunday, easy like a Sunday morning. We're just kind of getting things rolling here and packed up. And we ate such a huge breakfast that none of us are really hungry for lunch. So went ahead and packed it all in there. So we good. Minus all this. We got to get all that loaded up too. Oh, it's on your panel over there. Daisy's like, let's go.
I'm ready to go home.
Tuck, tuck, fold.
TTF.
Tuck, tuck, fold. TTF.
There's been times where I've had to like get my weight up on it because I cram all the bedding in the middle so it doesn't like to close at the end. I'll get up here. Your little final tuck.
I gotta meet y'all there.
Get your little locking pin.
Okay.
Nice.
You want me to just wait for you to come around?
Gotta put that muscle in there.
Okay. Shoot. All right, ready for the adventure?
Sweet. She says, "Sir, I'm just waiting on my seat. Let me know when I can just climb in there."
I just went out in the water.
Oh.
Yeah, we were just standing out
What do
there.
you think,
with
Daisy?
I was like, dang, you said you're still wet.
All right, cheers, fellas. To 18, and Wes is 43.
43. Yeah, old man.
Did I get everybody? There we go.
Old man and finally an adult.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
We can fight for our country. Here's another cheers for that. Let's try to pop yours off. No!
No, do you know?
Oh man, that's good.
Yeah, we took all of them.
Huh?
The only ones they had in the store, we took all of them.
Oh really?
Yeah. Cleaned them out.
I don't want to test it out. We'll test it over here. Oh, let's just pick it up. It's like a lot.
I think if you had just opened it, and you popped the top and bam, did that. Then it would do it. However, with beer, it works always.
Oh, beer goes all the way up. I've seen it on TikTok.
Yeah, sure you have. Saw that on TikTok once.
I did.
So one time on the internet, I saw this video. I have no idea if it's true or not. Well, you get another one. Because if it's your birthday, you get two.
Birthday.
2 root beers for the birthday! 2 root beers. 1 root beer, no birthday. 1 no birthday, 2 birthday.
See you, Tanner. Thanks for coming, buddy. All right, guys, we are packed out of here. We are headed out. By the time we packed up on Sunday, none of us really wanted to leave. There was something sacred about that stretch of river, that circle of friends, and the simple joy of celebrating Hayden and Wes in a way that just felt so right. No big production, just a bunch of guys, a beautiful river, and memories that stick with you long after the trip is over. And that's why, days later, I'm still processing it, still replaying it, still grateful for it. All right, we are partying it up at Hideaway. All right.
I'll stand up, give me a microphone. It's that mama cinnamon.
Happy birthday, dear Wes, Hayden and Harper. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, good job. Good job, everybody. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.